Get paid watching videos with these brand new sources that I'll share with you in today's video. You can join for absolutely free and get paid in PayPal money. In order to get every step right, make sure to follow me till the end of this. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, and we are going to get you notified each time we upload brand new strategies on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them. If you love this type of content, you can also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about the strategy that I upload. So without any further ado, I'm going to start with this video so I can show you every single step, and I'm going to give you actually multiple sources so you can make the most money. You can combine all of them and get paid by watching videos. So the very first one is going to be this platform called Adwallet, and it's over at adwallet.com. You can see that you're going to get rewarded for watching videos from brands that you care about. Brands want your attention and they are going to pay you for that. Each interaction with a video is going to get you paid up to $3. You can even unlock some exclusive offers. So let's see how it works. You can get paid in real money actually. You're going to receive a text whenever it's time for you to log in and to watch that video that is handpicked just for you. So you're going to get a notification each time it's up, a new video is up. So you can get rewarded from a minimum of 50 cents up to $3 per each video interaction, which is a lot actually, and you can even earn an additional $1 for every friend that you refer. So you can find even people that want to make money online by using this platform, and you can just refer them over here with your referral code. And you can even download offers for brands that you love so you can maximize your results. When you reach $10 in your account, you'll be able to request your payment, so they do not offer a point system. You can get paid immediately in real cash. And they have paid more than $1 million in cash and rewards to their members in just their first 12 months. So by scrolling down, you're going to see that there is also another way to get paid with this platform, and that is by completing online surveys, which is pretty awesome because we know that surveys pay you even more. And they offer you 3 ways to get paid, and you can choose the one that is best for you, from MasterCard, prepaid card, gift cards, and also you can donate your money to charity if you want to. And you can even check out some testimonials here from people that are users of this platform. You have some videos that you can watch if you want to. Down here there are some frequently asked questions that you can read by yourself. So in order to get started, you need to click on the sign up button here, and of course you're going to put your information, and then you're going to just create your account for free. And I want to mention that this is not available worldwide. Unfortunately, this is only available in the US, but if you are living outside the US, just don't worry, because I'm going to give you some other platforms that you can use in order to get paid by watching videos. And I'm going to proceed right away with the next one, which is called Cashkarma. This is over at cashkarma.io. With this platform, you can earn free cash and gift cards by completing surveys, but many more tasks as well. You're going to see that this is like the only reward app that lets you earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey, and you can install it here and also get 300 points. Because this one works with a point system, you're going to receive points that you can redeem for money and gift cards. Click on the Get Cash Karma button, then you're going to be here on this page then, and you're going to notice that they offer also an app on Google Play Store and App Store, so you can even download it on your smartphone or tablet device. And you can see that if you want to continue with the desktop version, you can send yourself an SMS. Just put your phone number here and click on Text Me the app. In the next page, what I want you to show is the app on Google Play Store. So you can see over here that it's called Cash Karma Rewards, Gift Cards and Scratch Cards. You can see that they have over 1 million of downloads and 4.1 stars with more than 91,000 of reviews. You can see all the things that you can do to get paid. You can play scratch cards, you can match and win, you can earn rewards even if you are disqualified, you can get paid to complete surveys, you can redeem your points for cash and gift cards. So there are a lot of opportunities here to get paid. And I want to mention that over at App Store they got like 4.4 stars by more than 600 offer ratings. So you can find it under the name Cash Karma Service. So back to their official website, I want to mention some other features over here. You can scroll down to see that you can redeem your points for PayPal, Cash and Amazon gift cards. You can see that gift card codes are loaded right on your device. So You can earn also bonuses whenever you complete like 5 offers, you watch 25 videos, you earn some points, you can get extra bonuses, and you're going to earn achievement badges. So you can increase your reward level every time you earn these badges, and you can get even up to 12.5% bonus anytime you complete an offer. So they offer you some ways to get paid even more money. So as we saw before, this offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store, or you can even continue with the desktop version by texting the app on your phone number. So this was the second platform for today, or app, and I want to proceed to the next one, which is going to be also the third and final one, and this is called Getpaidto. This is over at getpaidto.com. You can earn money every time you go online. They offer you some points for simple tasks just by completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, which is our main focus today, and more. So I want to mention that watching videos is one of the easiest ways to get paid online, because all you need to do is to just open up that video. You can just let it play in the background, and you can even leave it on mute if you want to, and you're going to get paid for that. So this platform pays you even by completing some online offers, and you can get some easy points by completing quick tasks as well, and we are going to see all of them over here. You're going to first do some tasks, and once you do that, you're going to earn points, and 5,000 of points equal $1, and then you're going to redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrency, and gift cards. You can play with some fun online games, which is one of the easiest ways and funniest ways as well to get paid online. We do already play on a daily basis actually, and this time we're going to get paid by doing that. And you're going to see that they offer some fun games and a wide selection of games, including Sudoku, crossword, word search, and so on. The more you play, the more money you're going to make. They offer you the high paying service. You can see that you can give your opinion about different brands, and you're going to get paid online for that. And they offer offer walls. You can complete online tasks, try as many different offers as you can to see what you can achieve in your free time. And these quick points here include watching music videos, adverts, trailers, filling in captchas. So there are a lot of making money opportunities with this platform, and you don't even have to invest too much of your time, because these are some quick points by doing some quick tasks. So I want to mention that they do offer a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, Amazon gift cards, PayPal Cash, and Vodafone Cash. So you can choose the one that you like the most. I highly recommend that you choose PayPal, since even the other platforms pay you in PayPal money, so you can just open up one PayPal account and gather all of your earnings over there. So you can just click on the join free now button in order to create an account here on getpaidto.com. In the next page, you're going to put a username, a password, confirm the password, your email address, confirm the email address, first name, last name, date of birth, country, and you're going to notice that this is available worldwide, then your city, zip code, then just answer this question over here, agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, complete the captcha, and click on complete registration, and you're ready to start with this platform. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, you can just give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.